First of all, taos puso po ako napapasalamat sa aming school head, administrators, and staff ng ICC na laging full support sa mga program ng ating ROTC. Ma'am, good morning, ma'am. Sir, good morning, sir. And also, taos puso rin po ako napapasalamat sa masisipag at maaasahan ng mga training staff na laging nandyan para gabayan tayo. Ma'am, good morning, ma'am. Sir, good morning, sir. At syempre, napapasalamat na rin ako sa mga kadete na nandito ngayon na nag-effort at lumaban hanggang dulo. Today, we stand proud as a member of ICC ROTC unit that optimizes discipline, camaraderie, and leadership. As the Corp Commander of the Immaculada Concepcion College ROTC unit, it is with great pride that I stand before you today. As a Corp Commander, for me, mahirap. Because I am not knowledgeable enough, but I am willing to gain more knowledge. That's why I'm here doing my best and efforts with the help of my fellow cadet officers na masisipag. Thank you so much, mga buddy. At the ICC ROTC unit, we don't just train cadets, but it is a journey of transformation and we mold leaders. Because of ROTC, it is here that friendships are built, skills are improved, and the futures are shaped. In closing, let us embrace the future with optimism and determination. As we embark on new endeavors, let us continue to make a positive impact on the world around us, guided by the principles of leadership and service instilled in us at Immaculada Concepcion College. Congratulations to my fellow cadets on these significant achievements. Together, we have proven that with dedication and perseverance, anything is possible. Thank you.
I stand before you today to share my reflection and impressions on my journey through Reserve Officer Training Corps program from Military Science 1 to Military Science 2 as a basic cadet. When I first entered the ROTC program as an MS1 cadet, I was filled with a mixed emotion of excitement and curiosity. I was eager to learn about military customs and traditions, to develop my leadership skills and mold bonds with my fellow cadets. In MS1, I was introduced to the foundational aspects of military life, from drills and physical trainings to the history structures of the armed forces. I found myself by the dedications and camaraderie of my peers, and I began to see the potential for personal growth and development within the program. As I progressed to MS2, I found myself taking on a greater responsibilities and challenges. I was given the opportunity to lead teams and participate in more training exercises. Through this experience, I gained a deeper understanding of military tactics, operations, and decision-making processes. I had also the chance to explore different career paths within the military and to consider my own future goals and aspirations. Through my time in ROTC from Military Science 1 to Military Science 2, I have been continually impressed by the dedication, professionalism, and sense of purpose permeates every aspect of the program. I have seen firsthand the transformative power of leadership, teamwork, and service to others. I have witnessed the growth and development of myself and my fellow cadets as we have navigated the challenges and opportunities presented to us. As I look ahead to the future, I am filled with a sense of pride and gratitude for experiences and lessons I have gained in ROTC. I am excited to continue my journey as a cadet, to further hone my skills and knowledge, and to prepare myself for the responsibilities that lie ahead as a future military officer. Lastly, I am grateful and support and mentorship I have received from my instructors, fellow cadets, and the ROTC community as a whole. I am proud to be part of this STEM program, and I am committed to upholding the values of honor, integrity, and service that define the ROTC experience. Thank you.
Sa lahat ng mga kagalang-galang na opisyal po na narito, sa mga direktor, sa mga head, at sa mga guro, magandang umaga po. Sa mga kapwa ko CO, sa mga kadete, sa mga kaibigan at mga magulang na narito, magandang umaga po. Sa araw na ito, hindi ko maiwasang maging sentimental. Sapagkat narito na tayo sa huling bahagi ng ating pagsasanay sa Reserve Officers Training Corps. Sa bawat hakbang natin sa parade ground, sa bawat drill at exercise, hindi lang tayo bumubuo ng ating pisikal na kakayahan, kundi pati na rin ang ating karakter bilang mga mamamayang handang maglingkod sa bayan. Sa ating paglalakbay sa ROTC, marami tayong natutunan. Natuto tayong maging matatag sa gitna ng pagsubok. Natutunan nating makinig at sumunod sa mga utos ng ating mga pinuno. At higit sa lahat, natutunan nating magkaisa bilang isang komunidad na may layuning maglingkod sa ating bayan. Ngayong huling araw natin bilang isang kadete, nais kong magpasalamat sa bawat isa sa inyo. Salamat sa inyong dedikasyon at sakripisyo. Sa bawat umaga na tayo ay nagtutuos, sa bawat gabi na tayo ay nag-aaral, at sa oras na tayo ay nagtiis para sa pagunlad ng ating sarili at ng ating organisasyon. Sa ating mga guro, Ma'am Alegre, Sir Kel, sa mga opisyal, Sir Roldan, Sir Aluhican, Sir Garcia, at kay Sir Magpali kung nasan ka man po ngayon. Salamat sa inyong patuloy na gabay at pagtuturo. Kayo ang nagsilbing ilaw namin sa tuwid na landas ng paglilingkod sa bayan. Ang inyong mga payo at aral ay mananatiling gabay namin saan man kami magpunta. Hindi man natin alam kung ano magiging hinaharap, tiyak kong may iwan ang ating karanasan dito sa ROTC bilang isang alaala ng samahan at pagkakaisa. Mula sa mga kaibigan na nakasama natin, sa bawat drill, hanggang sa mga alaala ng ating mga tagumpay at pagkakamali, ang ating pagsasanay dito sa ROTC ay magiging bahagi ng ating buhay na hindi malilimutan. Sa ating pagtatapos ngayon, bukas ay magsisimula na ang panibagong yugto ng ating buhay. Gamitin natin ang mga aral na ating natutunan dito sa ROTC upang maging mabuting leader at huwaran sa ating komunidad. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Mabuhay ang ROTC! Mabuhay! Mabuhay ang ICC! Mabuhay! Mabuhay ang Pilipinas! Mabuhay!
Thank you.